Mastering Picture-in-Picture on your Samsung TV transforms how you multitask, letting you catch every moment across different sources simultaneously. First, grab your Samsung TV remote and press the home button. This will bring up your Smart Hub dashboard. Navigate to the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or cogwheel. Select it to enter the TV settings menu. Within the settings menu, look for and select the general option. This is where we'll find our picture-in-picture feature. Scroll down within the general settings until you find the picture-in-picture or PIP option. Select this to access settings. You'll likely see a toggle switch. Make sure this is turned on to enable picture-in-picture functionality. Now, with PIP enabled, let's see how to use it while watching your main program. Press the source or input button on your remote. A list of your available input sources will appear. Choose a secondary source you want to display in the picture-in-picture window. And there you have it. Your secondary content will now appear in a smaller window, allowing you to watch both simultaneously. You can typically resize or move this picture-in-picture window by pressing and holding a specific button on your remote or navigating through the PIP options. This allows you to keep an eye on the game while following the news, or even monitor your security camera feed while enjoying your favorite show, dramatically enhancing your viewing convenience.